Greetings! In today's video, I'm unboxing a new box from Papergang. Papergang is a monthly subscription service based in the UK with a focus on stationaries. The last box was the holidays themed one, so this one is the first box of the new year. It's very blue, covered in an illustration reminiscent of night skies and clouds. The box is small, like the previous one, but still featuring the sleeve and cardboard box combo. On the back of the sleeve cover, there are two tags that you can cut off and use to label your luggage. Inside of the cardboard box lid, we find the usual rundown of the way this box is put together, with a mention that they also work with a charity to help plant more trees. In the box itself is our surprise supplies, wrapped in blue tissue paper. This month is a neat little bundle. As always, I reach for the tiny booklet detailing this month's package first, as I'm always curious to know who the artist is for this new box. The front of the booklet is the same visuals as the box, and the back of it is the info about the referral program. Inside the booklet, we have the list of the box's content and learn that the box features Keiko Brodeur's art. There is a small interview with them, a few ads, and additional information about the Tree Aid charity. The overall theme for this box seems to be travel and adventure. The first item I grab is a really cute set of sticker sheets. There are 4 sheets with the same designs on them, and they are really cute. Then I grab a risograph card with the message, "You make me a happy camper." I really like the look of risograph prints, so I'm happy to see this here. And I only got happier with the next item, a fabric patch. I love fabric patches a lot. I always seek them out when I can, so to get one in the box was a super nice surprise. I didn't even know Papergang could possibly include those. Next to the patch, I got a birthday card, featuring a really cute illustration by this month's featured artist. The cards in the Papergang boxes are always really good quality and size, and they come with their own envelopes. They are blank inside, so you can really customize the message however you want. And the last item of this box is a daily planner. It is really unique. The book has a texture a bit like really fine mesh laid over cardboard. It is nice and matte, featuring the blue sky illustration that was also on the box and leaflet. The text is stamped in metallic copper foil. It's a soft cover book and it has an orange ribbon bookmark. It's a bit hard to see, but the page layout in the book is pretty awesome. The left side page has spaces for date and the day's objective, a to-do list, a timetable, and urgent and not urgent tasks. The right side page has a lined area for notes and a blank space for doodles. The pages are printed in grey over white paper, and I'm really appreciative of that too. It doesn't show well on camera, but it's usually the kind of print color that I look for in books. Again, I am very happy with the content of this box. I think this is one of my favorites so far. I love everything that was included, and I'm eager to go check out artist Keiko Brodeur's work. If you feel like trying this box, I've included my referral link in the description below. As I was setting the last shot, I gave the tissue paper sheet to my cat Scout. She decided to make a nest of it and take a nap. So, thanks Papergang for the cat bed, I guess? This box has Scout's and my own seals of approval. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.